Welcome to this technical guide on the Asus FA506N. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you have a cracked screen on your Asus FA506N, you might find it difficult to see anything at all. This often happens due to accidental drops or impacts, which can lead to long-term issues if not addressed promptly. Not only does a cracked screen affect visibility, but it can also lead to further damage to the display components if left unrepaired. Now, let's get into the tools you'll need for this repair. You will require a Phillips head screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, a suction cup, and a new screen replacement for the Asus FA506N. Make sure you have a clean, flat workspace ready for the repair. To begin, ensure your device is turned off and unplugged. Start by carefully removing any screws that are securing the back panel of your Asus FA506N. Use your Phillips head screwdriver for this task. Once the screws are removed, gently insert the plastic opening tool into the gap around the back cover and carefully pry it open. Take your time during this step to avoid damaging the clips holding the panel in place. After the back panel is off, locate the display connector. This is usually found near the hinge area of the laptop. You will see a cable that connects the screen to the motherboard. Carefully disconnect this cable by lifting the connector latch. This step requires a gentle touch, as excessive force can damage the connector. Next, you'll need to remove the broken screen. Locate the screws that secure the screen bezel. Remove these screws with your Phillips screwdriver and gently pry the bezel away from the screen. Once the bezel is off, you can now access the screen itself. Be cautious as you lift the screen up, disconnect the remaining cables attached to the back of the display. Replace the cracked screen with the new one, ensuring all connectors are securely attached. Once the new screen is in place, reattach the bezel and screw it back in. Remember to reconnect the display cable to the motherboard before placing the back cover on. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. With everything connected, replace the back panel and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Turn on your device to check that the new screen works properly. If everything is functioning as it should, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the screen on your Asus FA506N. To prevent this issue from happening again, consider using a protective case or a screen protector. Always be cautious when handling your laptop to avoid accidental drops. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.